Hi, welcome to Inventors Dojo. My name is Henry and I'm an inventor on a mission to make and sell my invention. My invention is the easiest, most efficient tool to use to get your car out of sand, ice, mud, or snow. If today's your first time in this channel, welcome and I hope you enjoy the videos. Please consider subscribing so you could get updates on what's going on with my invention. In the last video, we talked about making my prototype from resin casted from a silicone mold, the YouTuber that helped me get there, and some of the lessons learned. I also told you I would show you what happened when I finally took it for a spin, so here it is. As you can see, it broke immediately, but I anticipated this. So I made two of them just in case this happened, because whatever happened, I wanted to be able to replicate it. As you can imagine, I had very high hopes for this process. And if you've been following this channel, you will know that this was the end of my knowledge. I really had no idea what I was gonna do next. One thing you should keep in mind if you're going through this process is that every time you try a new method, new material, new design, new whatever, the thought in your mind is always, this is it, this is going to work, and then I'll be done. Otherwise, why are you even trying it? But there's always a healthy level of skepticism while maintaining the same level of optimism, because if it works, then you're done. In this particular case, I was done. I had nowhere else to go. I did not know what to do. And in fact, the only option that I saw was to just give up and move on to the next thing. But there was no next thing. So feeling incredibly defeated, incredibly frustrated, and just at the end of my fucking tether, I decided to make a phone call. A Hail Mary, if you will. But that call changed everything. And more on that in the next video. Please subscribe so you can get notified when that comes out. I am so glad that you joined us today, and thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to share this video with someone who you think might enjoy it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Stopping video. Oh, this is not recording. Ah, you mother. And this is gonna suck if I have to redo this whole